Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I missed every one of you guys and I'm sorry I was a little MIA last month, but I am back and today I want to do a Valentine's look for you guys, and this is the look that I'm going to be doing. But Valentine's Day reminds me of love and gratitude, and it also reminds me of like them little heart candies that we all love. Well, I love them. I loved them as a kid. I still love them, and I love like all the little so cool, be mine, and I think they're just so cute. And I thought purple because purple is a great look for brown and blue eyes. And I think I'm going to do like a black dress and some red heels, and not necessarily have to match your lips and eyes with what you're wearing, but that's what I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day. But since last video I did a red look, and I didn't want to do another red lip look. So this time I went ahead with this nude lipstick. You can change it if you like, but this is my Valentine's Day look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see this Valentine's Day look right here, then keep on watching. To start off with this look, I went ahead and did a full face of makeup. That way I can make it easier for you guys, and that way I can just apply whatever I did to my left, I can do to my right. I'm going to be picking up my Tartelette and Bloom palette, and I'm going to be taking them two lighter shades in the colors Charmer and Flower Child, and I'm going to be mixing both of them and applying them to the base of my eyelid. Now I'm going to be picking up my fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with that same Flower Child color, and I'm going to use that to build dimension in my crease. Next up, I'm going to go in with that color Sweetheart. This is a red clay color. This is going to make your eyeshadow pop. So going in with sweeping motions back and forth and build that color, it's really going to make that eyeshadow stand out. Next, I'm going to be taking these two colors and I'm going to be blending them together, and they are the colors Rocker and Firecracker, and I'm going to be applying that to my whole lid. Taking that same two colors, I'm going to be taking that flat shader brush, and since we're doing a more of a smoky look, I'm going to be applying both of them two colors from my inner corner of my lid to the middle of my dimension color. And I'm just going to be connecting the two using tiny sweeping motions. To make sure there's no harsh lines, I want to go in with my blending brush and blend them two colors together. Then I'm going in to use the purple plum color. This is such a beautiful color. I'm going to be taking that and I'm going to pack it in my crease using back and forth motions, mainly just focusing on that crease, because later you'll see me go in and focus more on that outer corner. I personally like my smoky eye to come up a little past my crease, so you're going to see me start blending it upward and start blending it and just blending it until I get that smoky desired look that I'm looking for. While I'm at it, I'm going to head and go and smudge out my lower lash line as well. I really want to give that purple a pop, so I felt like I lost that. So I'm going to go back in with that same Sweetheart color and apply it just a little bit above that crease. So I'm going in with my all-nighter setting spray, and I'm spraying my blending brush and going back in with that same purple plum color because I felt like I wasn't getting that intense purple look that I wanted. So I felt like this helped it overall, and I'm really going to be buffing that out in that crease. Also, using a dark color like this, make sure you don't blend it too low because you can make your eyes look tired and sometimes even squinty. Now going in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, I'm going to be using that in my waterline, all on the bottom and then even the top. I'm going to take my Makeup Forever concealer and I'm going to add a tiny drop to my damp beauty blender. This makes all the difference. This will brighten up the look, also highlight underneath that eye since we used all of them dark eyeshadows, and it'll just clean up everything that might have fallen out below. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with my false Adele lashes. Alright you guys, so this completes my Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I have. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!